Hey, this is Chris Hixson with South Haven RV and Marine. I just wanted to bring you the 2021 Forest River Trifecta with twin 450 horsepower racing Mercury engines. I'm just going to do a little brief walk around, just kind of show you. I've got the boat on with some lights on already. And as you can see, this is a beautiful blue, white, and black boat with the blue LED lights. It is sitting on a tri-axle trailer that I highly recommend you haul it with. There's where you fill the gas filler is at, and there's the power behind this boat. Two 450 horsepower racing Mercury engines. And this is the back of the boat. As you can see over there, there is the wash bay, speakers, stereo control over here. And if you wanted to do the trickle charger, all you got to do is plug up to an extension cord there. It has the jack plates, hydraulic lifts. I mean, there's probably close to $35,000 worth of just rigging on the back of the engine. So by the time you add all the rigging and the engines, you're hitting 170, 165, 170, approximately right around that ballpark, just for the engines and the rigging. Give me just a second. I'm gonna walk up on the boat so you can see the boat with the lights on. And as you can see, it's got LED lights in the table mount, in the cup holders. And here's the system with it on. And then you have your control panel over here on the passenger side. Again, this is Chris Hixson with South Haven RV and Marine. Just wanted to show you the Forest River Trifecta series with the 450 twin racing engines.